Some passengers are here with me. Let us speak to them and understand. Sir, आप कहाँ travel कर रहे थे और
traveling to Patna from Delhi, and I have very important engagements today at Patna. Today morning itself, the Indigo Airlines issued with the
yeah. Go ahead.
yes, issued with the tickets as well as the boarding pass, and they were informed me that your flight has been cancelled. I came to know about it only when I was checking in at the airport.
So now your flight has been indefinitely cancelled, and they haven't.
And they are not providing any alternative arrangement where to stay or where they will give me tickets for another flights. And in another airlines, the flight ticket has gone, price has gone sky high.
Sky high.
It is 80,000 per ticket to Patna. So it is impossible for a common man to travel to buy such a costly ticket.
Yeah. Precisely. So
and I am very sorry to say that why government is so insensitive towards this. With public, all those passengers, even international passengers are facing a lot of hardship here. What impression they will carry about Indian Airlines when they go back? So it is very bad.
So what we're understanding here at this point is that passengers are definitely talking about the skyrocketing fares as well. So if not Indigo, because Indigo doesn't have future flights planned either. We do know that Indigo has itself said that from December 3rd to 4th, this cancellation issue will persist. So then where do passengers go? The other airlines, the demand has increased onto them, thereby resulting in prices also, airfare also skyrocketing. And as we just spoke to this passenger, he just told us that a flight to Delhi to Patna at this point is in thousands for one way. It's going above 20K at this point, which is definitely not affordable for a common man. A lot of other people, passengers have spoken to right here at the terminal who've told me one was going for a sister's wedding, the other was going for a funeral as well. In fact, all stranded with no information as to how are they to reach their destinations at this point.